A very good day to all of you. This is a guide video about how DropMe app can be easily downloaded from Android Play Store as well as iPhone Apple Store. Okay, I'm using an Android phone right now. The process is same for the Apple phones as well. So I go to Play Store and I type DropMe, and you can see the DropMe driver app over the top over there. Click the DropMe driver. I say install. So now you can see the phone is downloading the app. So I open. This is the startup screen where the app is downloaded. Now I have to sign up to DropMe. So I click sign up. You have to give allow for all the options which comes after you click the sign up. And I give my mobile number and I say done and I say start. So I give my first name and all the details you have to give. In respective fields, select the year of birth and gender. Then I say start. In this screen, you have to select the driver's photo. Take a photo of the driver. Make it sure the photo is very clear and say OK. The next step, you have to give the driving license. So the driving license, the details has to be very clear. The front side of the driving license, I click it. I say OK. Rear side of the driving license. Make it sure all the details are very clear. The next step will be your national identity card. Again, it's the front side. Make it sure all the details are correct. And again, the rear side of the ID card. Once it's ready, say OK. Then go for the next step. So you give the same mobile number you have given for the registration process and send OTP. When you get the number, say sign in to DropMe. So it will validate. Now it will say GPS system to be enabled. Say yes. Now I click the icon and all my details are given. So I wanted to select a vehicle. I'm going to add a vehicle. So first you have to give the vehicle number, my vehicle brand name, vehicle manufacturer, vehicle color, vehicle insurance number, vehicle insurance expiry date. Give the correct exact date and go to the next screen. I have to get the picture of my car. I click it, get the correct picture, say OK, then the rear side of the vehicle, and it goes. No sooner you have given all the details, we will verify them and we will get back to you. Shortly, our customer care agent will contact you to assign your vehicle for run in the service of DropMe. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.